Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini Nagare. Welcome to all in our MathStata channel. Our fifth one question is y is equal to 3 upon 5 into the cube root of the bracket 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to 5. Now differentiate with respect to x of the y become a dy by dx is equal to d upon dx of the function. Now, here in the function, they are given 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is a constant term, fine. And in the denominator, our function is that. So, and it is in a cube root, and in the cube root, its power is 5. So, first of all, make sure that कि ये आपका एक easiest form में हो. मीन्स आपको अभी यहाँ पे क्यूब रूट का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है तो आपको उसको पावर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. And it's in a denominator term. So first of all, take into the numerator, make sure its power, then differentiate. So let's see. First of all, we convert into the simplest form. So 3 upon 4 are the constant terms taken outside of the d by dx. Now inside this, 2x square minus 7x minus 5 is in denominator, take into the numerator. Its power is 5, but we taken into numerator, that wise here minus 5 is there. And this is the cube root, okay? So cube root means what? Cube root means 1 upon 3 power, okay? So now multiply the power, it become a minus 5 ones are minus 5 upon 3. So that wise here power become a minus 5 upon 3. Now differentiate with respect to x. It's an easiest form. Yes. So we can apply here f of x raised to n formula. So now let's see. This is the constant term 3 upon 5 as it is into the power. Power is minus 5 upon 3. And our f of x means our bracket power minus 5 upon 3 minus 1 into the differentiate with respect to x of the bracket. Now इस पावर को हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं एंड इसको भी डिफरेंशिएट कर लेते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट बिकम अ पावर. पावर क्या हो जाएगी? माइनस 5 अपॉन 3 माइनस 1. ये हो जाएगी -5 minus 3 ones are 3 upon 3. It become a minus 8 upon 3. Yes. And here the most important step is differentiate with respect to x of this. Here the most important thing is differentiate with respect to x of this term. Okay. So let's see. Here 5 are cancelled, 3 are cancelled. So what's remain? Only minus sign is remains. Likewise here minus sign is there. And this bracket is as it is and power become minus 8 upon 3. Okay. So here the differentiate with respect to x of this bracket 2 is a constant term as it is. Multiply x square. X square differentiate is 2x. And the minus sign as it is, 7 is as it is and x differentiate is a 1. Then minus constant term. 5 is a constant term, therefore the differentiate of the constant becomes 0. Now in next step, we solve this bracket. So what we got? The 2 2s are 4, that wise here 4 is coming. 4x minus 7 1s are 7. That wise here 4x minus 7 is in a numerator. And this is the minus 8. Yes, the power is negative. That wise is going into the denominator. So 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to 8 upon 3 become your denominator. And this minus sign is as it is. Okay. So this is your differentiate function with respect to x. Let's see next one. Question number 6. Y is equal to under the root 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 the whole bracket raised to 5. Now हमें यहाँ पे डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करना है करेक्ट बट मेक श्योर हम लोगों को इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट्स एन 1 अपॉन रूट है ओके तो इसको पावर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे मीन्स माइनस हाफ कर देंगे पावर में तो इट्स मेक इट इजिएस्ट सो लेट्स सी डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स सो फर्स्ट स्टेप dy by dx is equal to d upon dx of the given function. Now in the second step हम लोगों को पावर का डिफरेंशिएट करना है यस सो पावर को हम लोगों ने डिफरेंशिएट किया पावर इनटू द अवर f of x means our bracket power 5 minus 1 okay and into the d by dx of the bracket. Now here ये तो क्लियर है 5 into the bracket 5 minus 1 okay but here what happened here we wanted to make an easiest form okay so let's see it become a 5 minus 1 is 4 and remaining terms are as it is and this is the differentiate with respect of the root 3x minus 5 minus here make the in the numerator term okay so this is the 3x minus 5 raised to minus half because root means power half but it's in a denominator that's why here minus sign is coming up. Now in the next step we do the differentiate of this. So this 5 root 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root 3x minus 5 raised to 4 is as it is and differentiate of the root of 3x minus 5 here you know that the differentiate formula of the root of f of x. So, what's the root of f of x? Root of f of x means 1 upon 2 root f of x into the differentiate of f of x. So, similarly, we use here this formula. So, it become a 1 upon 2 root of the 3x minus 5 into the differentiate with respect to x of the 3x minus 5. Now here our we wanted to use f of x raised to n formula okay so f of x raised to n become n into n is your minus half okay so here n into the f of x raised to n minus 1 means minus half minus 1 into the d by dx of the f of x. Okay. So your f of x is 3x minus 5. Now differentiate and solve the all minus plus multiplication things. So let's see. 5 into the bracket root 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 power 4 is as it is. And this is the 1 upon 2 root of the 3x minus 5. Now, here 3x differentiate become a 3 and x is a 1 minus 5 differentiate is 0. Now here minus minus become a plus half and the power here minus half minus 1 means minus half minus 1 means minus 1 minus 2 ones are 2. Okay. Upon 2. So minus minus addition. Minus 1 minus 2 become a minus 3 upon 2. That's why here minus 3 upon 2 is. Now differentiate of 3x minus 5. 3 and x differentiate is 1 and 5 differentiate is 0. Okay. So in next step we solve this bracket. Then we got 3 ones are 3 minus 0, half is as it is, and again 3 ones are 3 minus 0. Okay. So in next step, whatever common terms are there, take outside the bracket. So let's see. Here 3 upon 2 is all common terms are there. Okay. So take outside the bracket. So what terms are remain inside the bracket? 1 upon 3x minus 5 raised to half. Why raised to half? Because here root of 3x minus 5 is there. Okay. And here the power of 3x minus 5 become it's a minus 3 upon 2. Okay. So minus term is there in a power. That's why it's come into denominator. Okay, fine. So it's a 3x minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2 is there. Now take the common term. What are the common terms here? 1 upon 3x minus 5 raised to half plus 1 upon 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. So 3x minus 5 bracket is same. But what's the common term here? Common term is 3 upon 2. Power 3 upon 2. Okay, it's a common term. So let's see. Here, the 5 threes are 15 upon 2 and this bracket is as it is. And here, this 1 upon 3x minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2 is a common term. Okay. So, we taken the outside here and here we adjust that term. How to adjust? I will explain. Let's see. We want to 3 upon 2. Yes. So, in the denominator, we want 3 upon 2. So, how it is possible? It's possible if power half plus 1 is there. Okay. Power half plus 1 is 3 upon 2. So, when it is possible, when we multiply and divide with the 3x minus 5, this term. Okay. Then it is possible. So, that wise here, 3 upon 2, power 3 upon 2 is a common term and what remains inside? 3x minus 5. Okay. So, this term is remains plus this 1. Okay. Now solve it. So it becomes 15 upon 2 and bracket as it is. Plus 5 plus 1 become a minus 4. Yes. And another terms are as it is. So this is our differential function with respect to x of the y. Okay. We just adjusted this term into the standard form. This is our solution of the differential function. Thank you for the watching this video. If you have any doubts and examples, so please write down in the comment section. Please watch, like, subscribe and share this video. Bye bye.